everybody. My name is Nora Collins. I'm a 17-year-old singer-songwriter. This is Soundcheck on tapmilwaukee.com. The first song I'm going to play today is a song from my new CD. It's actually the title track, and I recorded this song in Nashville with some awesome musicians. And check out my website, noracollins.com. There's a homemade video for it. And here is Run Away With Me. Close your eyes, let me kiss you, promise you'll be mine. Take my hand, never let go, just you and me here tonight. Hey, let's run away. Hey, let's run away. Together we can find to where meant to be. So take my hand, run away with me. Pull me in, oh so close. Don't you ever let me go. Forever and ever I could spend in your arms. Hey, let's run away. Hey, let's run away. Together we can find to where meant to be. So take my hand, run away with me. I don't know how I'd live without you. Like air I breathe, oh I need you. So let's take a chance. Take my hand. Don't know how I'd live without you. Like air I breathe, oh I need you. So let's take a chance. Take my hand. Hey, let's run away. Hey, let's run away. Together we can find to where meant to be. So take my hand, run away with me. Take my hand, run away with me. Take my hand, run away with me.